Issue ng It's Showtime, nakarating na sa Senado. Ang mainit na kaganapan, tingnan ng mga detalye. Nakarating na sa Senado ang mga kontrobersiyang kinaharap ngayon ng MTRCB. Sa budget hearing ng Senado para sa Film Development Council of the Philippines at Movie and Television Review and Classification Board nitong September 27, tinanong si MTRCB Chairperson Lala Soto sa mga isyong may kinalaman sa noontime show na It's Showtime at EAT. Pasakali ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada kay Lala Soto ay sinabi, "Mainit na topic kasi ngayon ay marami kasing phone-in questions sa akin. Actually, these are not my questions regarding the suspension of It's Showtime." Kasunod na tinanong nito ay ang pakikipagpulong ni Lala Soto sa kapisanan ng Social Media Broadcasters ng Pilipinas o KSMBP. Ang samaang ito ay nagsampa ng kasong kriminal laban kina Vice Ganda at partner nitong si Ayon Perez na bahagi ng kapamilya noontime show na It's Showtime. Saad ni Jinggoy Estrada ay sinabi, "In a statement, you confirmed that MTRCB met with the kapisanan ng Social Media Broadcasters ng Pilipinas last August 24. Can you place on record the agenda and purpose of the said meeting?" Paliwanag ni Lala Soto, courtesy call lang ito at bahagi ng kanyang trabaho na humarap sa iba't ibang tao at grupo na nais siyang makausap. Aniya, it was just a courtesy call, Mr. Chair. I attend to and I gave in to almost everybody who would like to have an audience with me. And so they expressed their support to the agency. They were very supportive also to the amendment of the charter. They believed that we should expand our jurisdiction and they did mention that they would file a case against the host of It's Showtime. And we made it very clear that it's on them and that we will not be participating. Because, Mr. Chair, thank you for this opportunity that we feel is my chance to make it clear also that there's no reason for us to fear filing a case against anyone if we feel the need to. We don't need to ask anyone to file a case for us if we wanted to. Ipinasa naman ni Lala Soto ang pagpapaliwanag sa abogado ng ahensya at MTRCB board member na si Attorney Paulino Cases Jr. dahil na-inhibit na raw siya pagdating sa lahat ng mga reklamong may kinalaman sa noontime shows. Napag-alaman namang physically present siya sa botohan ng board tungkol sa suspension ng It's Showtime dahil nataon daw na ito ay board meeting ng ahensya pero hindi raw siya nakisali sa botohan at diskusyon. Unanimous decision daw umano ang board na suspendihin ng It's Showtime. Mayroong 30 board members ang MTRC but isang vice chairperson. Sabi naman ni Atty. Cases, maglalabas silang desisyon sa loob ng linggong ito matapos nilang matanggap at masure ang motion for reconsideration ng It's Showtime management. Naitanong din kay Lala Soto ang reklamo ng iba ng masyado raw matagal ang 12-day suspension ng kapamilya noontime show. Saad ni Jinggoy Estrada, meron din pong nagsasabi na suspension of 12 airing days was too severe. Well, maybe some sectors. Can you enlighten to us, this committee, how the sanction is arrived at? Tugon ni Lala Soto, Mr. Chair, there are also a lot of people suggesting to cancel the show. We consider other people's comment too. That is not the only comment that we received saying that 12-day suspension is too much. There are also a lot of who are saying that the show should be cancelled or the number of days should be extended. Kasunod namang tinanong ng Senador si Lala Soto kung kumusta ng reklamo tungkol sa pagmumura ni Wally Bayola sa Sugod Bahay Mga Kapatid segment ng EAT sa TV5 noong August 10. Bahagi ng EAT ang ama ni Lala Soto na si Tito Soto. Ayon sa MTRCB Chair, pinadala nila ng notice to appear ang EAT management at kaagad daw tumalima ang mga ito. Humingi rin daw ng pamanhin ang pamunuan ng TV5 noontime show. Maglalabas daw sila ng resolusyon ukol dito. Kasunod ng isyong tinanong ni Jinggoy ang tungkol sa lubid joke ni Joey De Leon. Tinanong niya ang MTRCB officials kung may masama ba sa nabanggit ni Joey at kung may violation ba rito dahil hindi raw niya nakapapanood ang mga noontime shows. Ano yung komento kaugnay dito? Shoutout tayo kina Perla Cruz, kay Chris Jerry Cruz at kay Beth Coles TV. I-comment mo lang ang inyong opinion sa comment section at huwag kalimutang i-like, i-follow, i-subscribe ang bcgram.net para sa mga latest happenings.